ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Hadian kecing ay peteng ki khar Bangladesh ban wan le iki kam Sniew hopo put sam jaga jela Meghalaya. Usumbut Menteri Rang Baka Jela uba Prastun Tensong ula Bthah yo Inspector General ka Border Security Force UHS Dhilon ba kin long ki ba Peitngor pha ha Khappud. Halor kan ni habe kran bigila Bthai ku bor uba Prastun laong bakarai jongki kalong ka basai. Baki kwa ban ker sai narsya Handai kidon katu kat ni kijing e. Pat halor kan kijing e sarkar kala tho sya ka Ministry of Home Affairs ya ka ei bakala ban le. Namar baki pidang sobha ya kan kijing ker sai narsya.
See, as far as the incident that has taken place day before yesterday, I've already told you very, very clearly that yesterday there was a meeting where in the meeting ultimately mutual understanding came in. They have already compromised, be it from the BSF authority or be it from the doctor side or from the public side or be it from the SDPO or from the police side or from the civil subdivision administration. So they have already agreed and they have already compromised and the incident or the issue is ended, is closed yesterday itself. Sometimes the communication gap is what? Language. Where or BSF personnel sometimes they cannot talk in the local language or they don't understand the dialect. So ultimately unnecessarily misunderstanding takes place and then conflicts takes place. Therefore why I've taken this decision to have a standing coordination committee in the lower level, in the field level, because of that. Because of this issue, and this also will be resolved amicably in the field, in the level of this coordination committee. That's what I already mentioned to all of you, that the coordination committee will sit down regularly in that level. Any issues, be it smuggling issues or be it the coming in of Bangladeshi to our territory, or be it any incident or any issue, be it the border hard, be it anything. So this coordination will keep meeting among themselves, and there are issues which they need to bring it to the government, to the government's attention. We will take note of that, and if they don't need, they can even resolve in the letter. It is open. They also in the discussion, I have impressed upon the IG of the BSF to be more vigilant, to be more active. Such incident, unpleasant incident, should not again be repeated. Well, we know well that of course, humanly speaking, we don't know when are those people planning to come to enter to our jurisdiction. That we don't know. But I've requested the BSF IG to be more active, more vigilant, so that such unpleasant incident can be avoided at all cost. But we have already written the concern of the state government. When I say the state government, means the concern of individuals, the concern of public, the concern of the village authority in the entire stretch of international border as Meghalaya and Bangladesh. No, it is kept on hold. That's what I'm telling you. Even in East Khasis, part of it, people does not allow. Even from the government side, district administration who said, please don't allow. Unless we get a clear-cut decision taken by the government of India. So, be it in Warjaitia site, where in the Amlarem area, not even a single inch of fencing has started. Plan is very clear. We wanted to construct fencing. But at the same time, there were issues, there were some problems where the alignment of the fencing sometimes goes beyond the land, agricultural land of the landowner or the clan land or maybe the community land, where sometimes the village administration they oppose it and they keep requesting the government of India to kindly consider in such cases, in such portion, that the fencing should go closer to the 0 point. This is what's happening right now, and this concern, even from the state government, we have written a letter to the Ministry of Home Affairs that whatever possible way, we welcome the fencing, but as I said to you again, it should be closer to the 0 point between Bangladesh and India. Now I don't have all the detail, the percentage of of the remaining portion, but this side in this civil subdivision Amlarep, the entire stretch, even from East Khasi Hills, some stretch is still there. So the total distance I don't know much, but as I said, our stand is very clear. We welcome the fencing. Even the villagers in the border area, they welcome the fencing. But the only concern of the landowners or the village authority is they will not at all allow fencing to go from the middle of the village or from the middle of the farm land of the concerned farmers. Therefore, we from the state government also, we have taken it up, this particular issue with the government of India.